The weight of the world rests on our shoulders, and it feels like as if there is no one who's just gonna understand it. In these particular moments, we may start to believe that the path will never end, and the loneliness it never fades away. Sometimes all you want to do is just pause, and I want you to pause. I want you to pause for a moment and listen. Listen closely. There are days when the clouds seem to never part, and there will be more of them. When the struggle feels too much to bear. But even in those darkest moments, those particular darkest moments, I want you to remember that you're not alone. And there are and there will always be people who are fighting the same battle as you are. They too feel lost at times. Trust me, I have been in that boat. Suicide is not the solution. It is a permanent decision for a very temporary situation. Even if your mind tells you that no one cares, trust me, there will always be somebody who does. There are people who love you. There will always be somebody who loves you. And if you cannot always see it, it's alright. There are people who genuinely want to help. Whether it is a friend, a family member, a loved one, or even a stranger. Reaching out can make all the difference. All of it. Trust me. I have reached out. I've been through those dark alleys of loneliness. Literally where the sun doesn't shine. We celebrate Suicide Prevention Day every year. We celebrate Suicide Prevention Week every year. We have a Suicide Awareness Month every year. The least we can do is not allow people to feel lonely. देखिए ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आज का दिन अच्छा होगा, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कल का दिन भी अच्छा होगा, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको मौका मिले, हो सकता है वो मौका आपको खुद बनाना पड़े, हो सकता है वो दिन आपको खुद अच्छा करना पड़े, और उन्हीं किसी लम्हों में आपको थोड़ी सी हिम्मत खुद के लिए जुटानी पड़ेगी, जहाँ पे आप कह सको कि हाँ there is a silver lining to this cloud. वो वक्त जो होगा, that day the pain might be a little less. Reach out to somebody. Reach out to someone whom you can trust. I'm sure there will be someone. Rant about it. Vent about it. Call a loved one. Reach out to a mental health professional. Trust me, you are wanted. Your life is valuable and there is hope. There is a lot of hope. Even in the darkest of places, there is hope. Together we stand against everything that plans or wants to silence us. And together we can choose life. All I want to tell you is Ji Veer. Live, brave one. Just like how Bloodywood sings, तूफानों से लड़के तू जी वीर, जख्मों से भिड़ कर भी तू फिर से उठेगा यारा. So, my brother, my sister, whoever you might be, live. There is a lot that every one of you needs to see.
We can never deny, we can get back up if